Facing the no SIM card inserted problem and feeling stuck on your Samsung phone? Fear not, I've got your back with practical solutions to troubleshoot this issue and get your device up and running smoothly again. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, try to turn on and off airplane mode once and see whether it is solved. If not, then try the following guidelines. Solution 1. Eject the SIM card and reinsert it. First, turn off your phone. Now remove the SIM tray using an eject from the button of the device. Take out the SIM card from the tray. Wait for a few seconds. Now put the SIM card into the tray, then put the SIM tray into the phone. Now turn on your phone. If it does not work, then change the SIM card and try another. Solution 2. Check your software updates. Go to Settings again, then scroll down. Now tap Software Update. Then tap Download and Install. If you have any updates available, then install it. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to Settings again, then scroll down, tap General Management, scroll down again. After that, tap Reset. Scroll down. Now tap Reset Mobile Network Settings. Then tap Reset Settings again. Tap Reset. Wait for a while, and there you have it, folks. We've successfully addressed the no SIM card inserted problem on Samsung devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Stay updated. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!